Maize growing in Kenya. So the growing areas, and it should be noted that maize is grown almost everywhere in Kenya. This is because it tolerates a wide variety of climatic conditions and soils. But the main maize growing counties in Kenya include the Trans Nzoia, Nakuru, Bungoma and Uasin Gishu counties. Conditions favoring maize growing in Kenya. So we have moderate to high temperatures ranging between 15 and 27 degrees Celsius. Rainfall of between 635 to 1145 millimeters during the growing period. Should be noted that maize tolerates a variety of rainfall ranging from 380 and even up to 2500 millimeters depending on the location, whether it is semi-arid region or highlands. Another condition is that it grows in a wide range of soils, from acidic podzol to strongly leached red soils. The soil should be deep and rich in nitrogen. Another condition is undulating or rolling and gently sloping topography to allow mechanization. Then lastly, altitudes of 0 to 2200 meters above the sea level where there is no frost. So those are the conditions that favor maize growing. Next we have cultivation of maize. So how is maize cultivated? The land is first cleared and plowed. The seeds are then sown at the beginning of rains by manual tippling or mechanically by maize planters. Constant weeding during the growing period is done to keep out the weeds. Next thing is harvesting of maize, and harvesting is done after about 4 to 12 months depending on the variety and the area where it is grown. For example, in relatively hot areas. Next we have processing of maize, and maize grains are weighed and then put on trays. Any undesirable grains and broken cobs are removed. It is then sieved to remove unwanted particles like soil, rocks and cobs. The maize is passed through a milling machine that grinds it into flour according to the desired grade. The flour is then packed appropriately ready for sale. Next we have marketing of maize, and marketing is done in the local market directly by farmers to the consumers or to the maize millers. So we have uses of maize. 1. Grains are used as human food. 2. The grains are used in making local brews. 3. The maize grains are used to make animal feed. Next, the maize stalks and cobs are used as source of fuel. Lastly, stalks and cobs are also used as manure. So those are the uses of maize, whether it is the grains. Problems facing maize farmers in Kenya. 1. We have farm inputs which are expensive and therefore farmers cannot afford them. This lowers the production. 2 is inadequate storage, leading to wastage of the grains. Number 3 is price fluctuations that normally lead to marginal profits. Pests and diseases which reduce the yields obtained from the fields, like we have weevils that attack the crop, leading to low production or reduced yields. Lastly, we have adverse weather conditions which reduce maize yields, like when we have prolonged droughts that will lead to drying up of crops, or floods that will sweep away the plants, so the production or the yields from the field will be reduced.